Hello, this is Jonah from KAWASAN Falls in Bajan, Cebu. If you're looking for a place to stay and you would like to enjoy more of KAWASAN Falls, where else to stay but here? You'll have a front seat view of the awesome KAWASAN Falls and blue turquoise waters. We have a room booked up there. This is my room. And also Ken's room is over there for only 1,500 for each room. So, wow, if you're here, there are other places to stay as well over there, but not as good as our front seat view. So how about that? We've also booked a table for 300 pesos a day. This table is ours for the whole day. It's also our front row view of the awesome KAWASAN River. Let's take a look at our rooms upstairs, and they're, well, the basic amenities only, but who cares? The view is awesome, and that is super first class. What a great place to stay here in Bajan, but right in front of the waterfalls as your view. This will be our room. There are a lot of rooms over there, and we only need electric fan because it will be so cool at night, and no people anymore at night. This is my room in Bajan Falls with a great view of the waterfalls. So we'll be staying here overnight with no people at all. We'll enjoy the scenery, but for now, also enjoying the people and everybody frolicking in the water, dotted with colorful umbrellas. So you've seen my room and my balcony view of everything down here. The only thing here is that there is no Wi-Fi signal and very limited text access, no sun, no smart, only globe is the strongest. So this is not an advertisement, it is just fact. I couldn't contact anybody, I haven't received any text from anybody today. This is Jonah and see you next time in our next video. See you later in a few days. Bye-bye for now. Roberto is our guide. Highly recommended. So you look for him here when you're in KAWASAN.
Yes. Number one, John.